Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Saxena here. I hope you all are sound and safe at your home. I'm back again with class 3 English 2 lesson 2 The Royal Gift, and this is part 3rd of my video. In part 1 and 2 I've already explained the chapter. Hope you have gone through the chapter well. Now let's start the exercises. The first exercise will be your dictation passage that is already given in your book. So I'm going to tell you from where you have to copy till where. You will start with mentioning the chapter number, lesson 2, then chapter name, the royal gift, then you will put exercise 1 and heading as dictation passage. Okay, now you are going to copy from here. Long ago in China, a mighty emperor received a gift from the ruler of another land, and you will continue in the same paragraph this first conversation, second conversation, third conversation. Okay, after that you will turn the page. You will copy this line: the emperor and his mandarins walked out to see the gift. You will copy this fourth conversation, fifth conversation, sixth conversation, seventh conversation, and the last line: the royal court was full of excitement till here. How much does the elephant weigh? So you have to copy till here as your dictation passage in your English literature copies. Okay, and I will be clicking the photos of this page number and posting it in the group as well, because I know you are not having the books. Okay, you don't have to change the paragraph, just copy in one single paragraph all the things from here, long ago in China, till here. No need to change the paragraph. Okay, this will be your first exercise. Now coming on to second exercise. Second exercise will be your word meanings, which I have already explained while I was explaining the chapter. In book many word meanings are given, but I have chosen only 6 for you. Okay, so let's start. The first word is invented, and the meaning of that is first made. Okay, it was not earlier in the world, it doesn't exist in the world, it was made for the first time. Anything which is being invented, it means it is first made. Second, mighty. Mighty means very strong and powerful, like the emperor. Third, mandarins. It's a new word for you, that's why I have given. Clever people means intelligent people who helped the emperor, in the court in taking the decisions. Okay. Fourth, enormous. Enormous means very large, something very big, like an elephant. Okay. Fifth, tugged. Tugged means pulled something hard. To pull something which is hard to pull. Okay. Sixth is fame. Fame means famous, or you can say to be known by many people. Anything or anyone which is known by many people means famous. Okay, so you have to do these word meanings in your copy after doing your dictation passage. Now coming on to third exercise. These are your RTCs, which are known as reference to context. These are given on page number 36 also. Those who have got the books can copy from there. I am reading the extract which is given from the lesson only. Okay, I have taken it from there, and now I will be reading it out, and based on that these are the questions. Now let's read the extract. What is it? I have never seen anything so big in my life. I hope you remember these lines are said by the emperor or the king of China when he saw the elephant for the first time outside his court. It looks like a hill that has come to life and walked here. The first comment which he gives about an elephant was, it looks like a hill, a mountain which has come to life, which has got life, and it started walking. Okay, so let's start the question answers based on this. The first one: from where is this extract taken? This extract is taken from which chapter? So you will write the answer. This extract is taken from the lesson The Royal Gift. Please write in single inverted comma and take care of the capital and small alphabets. Okay. B1. Who said these lines? These lines are said by whom? The emperor said these lines. Okay, these lines are said by the emperor. C part. What was the person talking about? The emperor, he was talking about what is that? Okay, that the person means the emperor was talking about the elephant which was gifted to him by the king or the ruler of India, okay, another land. The elephant, okay, particularly we are talking about the elephant, that's why I've used the. D part, what did everyone want to know when they saw it? Everyone means the courtiers or the people of China. What they want to know when they saw it? It means elephant. Everyone wanted to know, what they want to know, how much does the elephant weigh? Means what is the weight of the elephant, of such a huge thing which they have seen in the life for the first time when they saw it for the first time. Okay, so these RTCs also you have to copy in your classwork, copy after doing dictation, passage and word meanings, and question answers I'll be doing in my next part of the video. Thank you.